Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 5 best mobility scooters, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Wooken 4-Wheel All-Terrain Mobility Scooter. The Wooken 4-Wheel All-Terrain Mobility Scooter is the ultimate solution for those seeking both independence and comfort. Designed with a durable steel frame and a powerful 250W brushless motor, this scooter supports up to 264 pounds, ensuring reliable performance across various terrains. Whether you're navigating uneven lawns, gravel roads, or speed bumps, the scooter's 8-inch PU tires make it easy to maneuver, offering a smooth ride every time. Safety is a top priority with this scooter. It's equipped with anti-tip rear wheels for added stability, especially when climbing hills. The smart electromagnetic braking system guarantees quick stops, and the built-in buzzer provides a safety alert when reversing. Designed for easy use and portability, the scooter folds in just 2 simple steps, allowing you to quickly store it in your car or home. The 360-degree swivel seat and adjustable features, such as the seat height and steering bar angle, offer a personalized fit for every rider, ensuring comfort for long rides. With a 12.1-mile range and a top speed of 5 miles per hour, the Wooken mobility scooter is ideal for daily use or travel. Plus, its intuitive control panel makes operation a breeze. Get ready for freedom and comfort with Wooken. Number 4. WheelWavi 4-Wheel All-Terrain Mobility Scooter. The WheelWavi 4-Wheel All-Terrain Mobility Scooter is designed to elevate your mobility with ease and comfort. Featuring a shock absorption system and 8-inch solid tires, this scooter effortlessly glides over rough surfaces and obstacles, ensuring a smooth, stable ride no matter the terrain. Whether you're navigating uneven sidewalks or gravel paths, the WheelWavi delivers a reliable and comfortable experience. Safety is at the forefront of this scooter's design. With features such as a front bumper, anti-rollover wheels, LED headlights, rear-view mirrors, and reflectors, you can drive with peace of mind. The intelligent electromagnetic braking system ensures secure stops, especially when traveling uphill or downhill, by automatically disengaging the controller. This scooter is incredibly user-friendly with its intuitive control panel that includes a color-coded battery indicator, horn, headlight switch, and speed adjustment dial. Reach speeds of up to 3.7 miles per hour with a range of 14.9 miles per charge. The adjustable swivel seat, ample legroom, and comfortable design make it ideal for seniors and adults, supporting up to 330 pounds. Number 3. ENGWE Ease 2 Pro Ultra. The ENGWE Ease 2 Pro is the perfect solution for anyone seeking a portable, convenient, and reliable mobility scooter. Designed with ease in mind, it folds in just 3 simple steps, no disassembly required, making it ideal for travel. Whether you're heading to the supermarket, park, or on a road trip, this scooter fits effortlessly into your car trunk or can be carried like a suitcase. Weighing just 43.2 pounds, the ultralight aluminum frame supports up to 265 pounds, making it easy to maneuver and transport. With dual 24V10AH lithium batteries, you can travel up to 24 miles on a single charge, and the 270W motor allows for speeds of up to 4.97 miles per hour. The scooter's unique constant speed system ensures a smooth, safe ride, automatically adjusting to slopes and turns for maximum control. The 8-inch tires can handle inclines up to 12 degrees and obstacles as high as 3.15 inches, allowing for smooth rides over uneven terrain. Plus, the scooter features a spacious, detachable waterproof basket for your personal items. The intuitive control panel makes operating the scooter simple, while the bright headlights and taillights ensure you're visible even at night. Number 2. LAGTOM Cardinal Cruiser 4-Wheel Electric Mobility Scooter. The LAGTOM Cardinal Cruiser is the ultimate combination of speed, comfort, and style for anyone seeking an exciting and efficient way to get around. With its 3-speed control dial, you can adjust your speed from 1 mile per hour to 15 miles per hour, offering full control over your ride. Whether you want to navigate city streets or cruise through more challenging terrains, this scooter has you covered. Equipped with large 16-inch fat tires and dual rear shock absorbers, the Cardinal Cruiser easily tackles sand, grass, snow, and muddy roads, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. It also features a full lighting system, including headlights, taillights, and turn signals for added safety, while the rear-wheel anti-tippers offer peace of mind on uneven ground. Designed for maximum comfort, this scooter boasts a deluxe reclining captain's seat with folding armrests and a safety belt. The scooter also provides ample storage space with a locking glove compartment, rear basket, and under-the-seat storage, as well as a digital anti-theft alarm system to keep your scooter safe. Powered by an 800W motor and a 60V 20Ah battery, the Cardinal Cruiser reaches impressive speeds and offers an extended range. Plus, with convenient features like a USB charger and cup holder, you can stay connected and refreshed on the go. Get ready to cruise in style and comfort with the LAGTOM Cardinal Cruiser. Number 1. VOCIC Carbon Fiber Folding Mobility Scooter. The VOCIC Carbon Fiber Folding Mobility Scooter is designed to provide you with unmatched ease, comfort, and convenience, all while being incredibly lightweight and durable. Crafted with a handcrafted carbon fiber frame, this scooter is 40% lighter than traditional aluminum models, yet it supports up to 330 pounds, offering both strength and portability. Weighing only 46 pounds, it's effortless to lift and maneuver even for seniors. With a TSA-approved 24V10 lithium battery, this scooter offers up to 12.5 miles of travel per charge, reaching speeds of up to 3.75 miles per hour, perfect for daily commutes or leisurely strolls. The scooter's compact design features an extended 9-inch frame for extra legroom, ensuring you can ride in comfort for longer durations. Plus, the adjustable tiller and telescoping handles make it easy to personalize your ride to your liking. Thanks to its responsive steering and a tight 27-inch turning radius, the VOCIC scooter can easily navigate through tight spaces, providing you with freedom of movement wherever you go. Setup takes just 1 minute, with no tools or complicated steps required. Buy with confidence, knowing that the VOCIC scooter comes with a 12-month warranty and excellent customer service. Get ready for a new level of mobility with VOCIC. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.